Create a platform out of timber or aluminium, or just attach to the bottom of your sheep crate and you're ready to go. Simple assembly and calibration only takes a few minutes. Super accurate results with our livestock hold mode and stainless steel load cells included in the system. Our powerful and easy to use digital farm software suite enables you to manage your sheep through an individual basis by bringing up their record from an electronic ear tag or visual ear tag, adding medical treatments, adding weight records, adding any notes. This can also be done on a bulk basis for your entire flock. Designed mobile first with an app you can use on your phone, your iPad or your tablet, Android and Apple compatible. So you've got your stainless steel indicator, you've got your 4 load cells, your rodent-proof cabling, all connects in through the junction box, very simple to install, all the instructions are provided.